Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, here I will configure DHCP Static. I will configure IP address on each interface, DHCP server setup, test to get the IP address, change the dynamic IP obtained to static, change the IP address you get to the one you want. Configuration, open the Winbox, MAC address, connect. Check the interface used by inputting the print interface command. You can see where here the running is Ether2. Add the IP address for the interface that is used as a server by entering the IP address command IP address at address 20.20.20.1/24 interface Ether2. Enter. Then check the IP address by entering the print IP address command. Well, the IP address is already registered. Next, configure the DHCP server by entering the command IP DHCP server setup. Enter. Select the interface to use, namely Ether. Enter. Select the IP network that the server will use. Enter. IP gateway used is the IP interface. Enter. Number of IP to be used to client. Enter. Then S to be given to the client. 8.8.8.8. Enter. Please time is the bound time of the IP address the client will use. Enter. Then check to see the DHCP server list created by inputting the IP DHCP server print. Enter. Next, then make a DHCP request through the client by using get the IP address. Open network. Is Internet Protocol version. Select obtain an IP address automatically. Okay. Check the IP address obtained by the client and we get status details. IP for address 20.20.20.254. Next. So check the registered IP in the DHCP list and the results are the same. IP DHCP server list. Then change the IP to static IP by using the command IP DHCP server list make static numbers null. Numbers 0. Enter. Then check whether is static by entering the command IP DHCP server print. Enter. Then edit the static IP address using the command IP DHCP server list edit value name address numbers 0. Enter. Change to static 20.20.20.20. Control. Check whether the IP has changed or not by entering the command IP DHCP server list print. Enter. It's changed here. We can also check the IP on the computer. Status, details. Disable, enable. And the result is that the computer has got a static IP that we have changed. That is all, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.